Breaking news from the automotive world. Honda introduces the ZR-V, a compact SUV that stands out with its exclusive pure hybrid powertrain. Let's dive into the details. Honda recently unveiled the ZR-V, a small SUV offering a pure hybrid powertrain, distinguishing itself as the only car of its kind in this latest release. Weighing at just 1.6 tons, it holds the title as the lightest vehicle among its rated peers. While the ZR-V showcased promising qualities, its performance in both crash and active safety tests fell slightly below the stringent 5-star benchmarks. As a result, Honda's ZR-V secured a respectable 4-star safety rating. The ZR-V packs innovation with its hybrid powertrain, marking a step forward in Honda's commitment to eco-friendly options. Stay tuned for more updates on Honda's venture into the hybrid SUV segment. For more automotive news and innovations, subscribe and stay connected. This is your channel name, bringing you the latest from the world of automobiles. Thanks for watching.